Hello, this is Chuck at Aquatic Artists, and we are here introducing Genesis Pro. So we developed a new line and launched a new line of natural stone waterfall kits called Genesis. Okay, they are smaller waterfall systems that are palletized in 1 or 2 pallets. They can be shipped anywhere in the country, and they can be installed by 1 or 2 guys in a few hours with no equipment and no special skills. So they're pretty simple, and they're nice, and they're on the website. This is Genesis Pro. Genesis Pro is the big brother of Genesis. And what I mean by that is a little bit more complicated, a little bit more complex. You have to have a little bit more skill. You have to know how to use equipment. You have to know how to set some rocks. But with Genesis Pro, what you don't need to know how to do, and the heavy lifting that we've removed from the equation, is the sourcing of the rock, the right rock, the selecting, the picking, the setting, and the installing of the rock work to make it look beautiful. That part of it we've taken out of the equation. And let me show you how Genesis Pro works. This right here is a deluxe grotto kit. The grotto is 5 foot wide, 5 foot deep, and it would sit on a reinforced pool shell. These are the left and right columns. This is the front of the grotto. The water would break off the front, 5 foot wide, 5 foot deep. These right here are natural stone, custom designed, engineered concrete columns. These rocks were custom set up and they were drilled. 8-inch holes were drilled through the center of all 3 of these rocks, and then we poured concrete and rebar in that hole to make it a reinforced concrete column. Did the same thing here. These rocks are drilled, so the concrete goes straight down to a concrete shell on the pool or a footing. So you've got natural stone, custom designed, engineered columns right here. Right here's a panel. Okay, why is it a panel? Okay, this rock is a large flat rock, and there's a concrete column behind it. It's pinned into the rock, and this is more of a flatter vertical rock. Now this one is designed like this because the plumbing goes up the back. This is hollow back here, right? So the plumbing would go up the back, and then it would tie into the reinforced grotto top, which I'm going to show you in a minute. So what you will ultimately have is a concrete reinforced natural stone custom designed kit that can be installed by contractors with a moderate level of experience and use of equipment. Because these are a couple thousand pounds, so you need decent sized equipment to put these in place. Let me show you the natural stone concrete reinforced grotto top. This is the underside. So when you put this up and you're in the grotto and the water hanging out, you're looking up, you're going to see this. Okay, all natural stone slabs pinned together into a rebar and concrete cage that is on top of this. So on the other side here, there's a concrete reinforced pad. Okay, and then we also ran all the plumbing into the concrete, and we ran it and we spaced it evenly so that all you have to do is run one plumbing line into the back of that grotto top, and it will evenly distribute the water over the top. No running plumbing lines here and there and figuring out the flow and all that. We have done all that for you. So this is like a big jigsaw puzzle for people that have a little bit of brains to build grottos the Aquatic Artist way, custom designed, but also concrete reinforced. So stay tuned to watch this baby. This is going to be installed on a project that we're going to start today. So stay tuned to check out the build.